Hey guys, it's Jules from Very Jewel Experience, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a Santa Claus on your own and an elf. Let's get to it! Things you'll be needing are a pencil, any pencil will do, and an eraser. Or you could just have an eraser that's, on the end of your pencil, but this one doesn't have an eraser, and a normal big eraser actually works better. So first off, we're going to be drawing Santa Claus. And to start off, we're going to be drawing a simple circle. Don't press too hard because you're going to need to erase a couple of things later. So first off, now you've got your circle, and you draw his little beard. Basically another circle, but made with squiggly lines. Just when you're done drawing that, you're going to need to erase stuff later, so don't worry about it. So don't press too hard again. So now you draw a rectangle, but with rounded edges on top of that, okay? And so you see that's the top of his hat. And then, since we don't have enough room on the top, we're going to draw it drooping to the side. So like a long semicircle, but like a long line down. And a little crease here in the hat, because, it's backwards. And then draw two more lines and bring them to a point. And draw a little pom-pom, because that's at the end of his hat. Now you've got all that, you're going to erase all this. Erase the extra lines. Just erase all the little lines, of his chin, because ear covers up the chin. And erase the top of his head. This line right here, that's on top of his. That's on top of his Santa hat. So once you've gone ahead and erased all that, now you can continue with the facial features. So, now we're going to be doing the facial features. So for Santa, he has obviously two eyes, but let's start off with his little nose. That's a little backward C because it's not a button nose, but it's still pretty round. And now I'm going to be giving him semicircle eyes because he's smiling. Start up the line and just finish it by making like a sideways D or a semicircle, the top of a semicircle. And we'll add two little circles inside for the pupils, leaving a little bit of white as a reflection. And fill that in. And fill that in too. And now you've got most of Santa Claus. Now it's time for the smile. Just draw a line like this. Again, a semicircle at the bottom. And that. Let's just draw a little line for the line of his teeth. And now, to finish it off, you're going to be drawing a tiny bit of hair, because Santa has hair on his head, obviously. And eyebrows for expression. And there you go. You've got your little Santa Claus, and if you want to add a little bit more, just draw the shoulders, and the sleeves, and add the buttons to his shirt. One button, two button, and a half button out of sight. There, now you've got your own little Santa Claus. Next, we're going to be drawing an elf. I have a little example of an elf that it's going to be looking kind of like this. So let's go ahead and draw that, shall we? So I'm going to be making this elf look like this. But here's the basics that everybody needs to draw. Start out with a circle. With a circle. And go inwards like that. Yours can have big arms, smaller arms. I'm just making mine look like this. And if you want, if you want to fix it up a little bit to make the arms look more connected, slant it more inwards like that, and then go like that, go like that, and slant it more inwards. So it looks like the arms. It's fine if you make mistakes. And now it's time. Add a curl and a jingle at the end. And now it's time for the sleeves. Add in the sleeves, a little bit of fluff at the end, and it's going to be really simple with hands, just little mittens, because they live in the North Pole. And I'm going to be adding buttons to mine. You can add a zipper or whatever you like. And now let's add the major touch-ups. Here's the ears to show that they're ears. Mine's going to be having bangs. You can add hair if you want, however you like. Mine's going to have bangs here down to the side, a little bit on the shoulders, and there you go. You've got your own step by step on your shoulder. Okay, that was a lot of fun. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Okay, so now you know how to draw Santa Claus and an elf. If you drawn along with me on the tutorial, please send me pictures. I would love to see your artwork. And if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.